It is widely known human beings are visual creatures. Half of your brain is devoted to processing visual information, and we are visual learners. I found a data set that essentially has every athlete who has ever competed in the Olympics, literally from 1896 all the way up to present day. So 270,000 athletes, I believe. So I asked myself this thesis question: are your Olympic dreams over at 50? So that's my research project. If you are communicating complex information, data or otherwise, by the way, you should be making it visual, and you should be making it interactive when you can, because it increases retention and accuracy of memory of that information.
Bill Shander is one of the world's leading experts on data visualization. For years, he's run a company called Beehive Media. Now, if you don't know what data visualization is, the chances are that you've seen it online. On the digital editions of the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the Washington Post, or National Geographic, and other great websites. If you've seen those websites, you have seen data visualization in charts and graphs that allow you to see the results in your industry or country, in so-called scrollytelling, where you scroll down a page and pictures and videos pop up to explain a topic in ways that words just can't. On our next episode of Everything Thought Leadership, Bill will explain why data visualization has become so important to competing on thought leadership.
Why are we doing this? What are we trying to accomplish with it? So that's about ticking a box and not being thoughtful about what you're doing or how you're doing it. And then also, did you decide ahead of time how you're going to measure success? You decide ahead of time what the goals are, figure out a way to measure it, track it, and you'll actually be able to evaluate what you've done.